When your firm is hired by a manufacturing client, is it usually because of a crisis or a basic process improvement? What usually prompts them to look for consulting services?
All right. Thank you, Bill. So why would you hire a company like us? It's usually a situation where you recognize that you have issues with either your profitability of your plant or plants. You have issues in your quality systems and the way that impacts your end customer. You have situations where that obviously the finance folks are looking at the profitability and what impact your either inefficiencies or mistakes that you're making in your company. Is it because of a crisis? It's probably usually that prompts it, and it's usually prompted by some higher ups within the organization that says to company X, you've got a problem, your profitability is terrible, your quality system, your quality measurements, and your customer complaints are giving us a fit, if you will. So I think it can encompass the basic process improvement in that issue once you get into the organization that you're trying to help. What usually prompts them to look for someone like HVMC to come in and help them? I think a lot of it is exactly what I said. But why would you look for us? And I think you would look for us in terms of the experience and the bandwidth that each of the team members have that would prompt you to say, I've got a problem with quality. Okay, we can do that. We have a problem with lean. We can do that. So I think you're starting to, when you start that venture, you're starting to search and look for a company like us to a specific problem or problems that you're having that's impacting your ability to be profitable. Okay?
All right, thank you, Pat.